Welcome and be inspired with Dominic. Today I feel this dire need to make a point, and obviously the best way to make a point is a mechanical pencil sharpener. Although I have used this thing to make an effort. You should really check that out up there. But today I'm going to do the second best way to make an effort. No, second best way to make a point. And that's a blackboard. In this case, a foldable one for, well, point making. How about you come a little closer and check it out?
Just for reference, do you still think we need to thwart him? I'm not sure, but I'm beginning to wonder how many ways there are to make the movement of a table saw fence appear new and fresh.
Exciting enough for you?
Not really.
Oh my.
You know not to tease him.
The question now is, how big of a point do I want to make? I think this one is too large, and you know what that means.
Seriously? So what is that? Tar? Liquid terror? Licorice?
I believe it's blackboard paint. I know he's got a beard now, but that's no qualification for that whole pirate thing.
Not Blackbeard, blackboard.
I see.
Do you?
Arr. Yes. What I did was I made a mark. At first I thought I cut on the wrong side of the mark, but it's there. It's just the wrong mark. I made the mark wrong. So, like the proverb goes, this is really bad lighting. But what I actually meant is measure more often than you cut, which I will do now. Sorry, I forgot.
Thank you. We appreciate that. Kinda. Anyone know what he's writing? Looks like runes.
I know those runes. It's the language of the ancient, the markings of despair, the signs of the beyond ones.
Should we be worried?
Oh, wait.
I guess that's okay then.
I can finally make a point. Well, I guess you could say you could chalk this project up to making a point. Oh, apparently someone else made my point for me. Although that looks like this could be used for my kid's toy kitchen after I made my point. So, here goes nothing. I think that's a point well made. Oh, speaking of, I hope you enjoyed this video. Whether you did or you didn't, I'd appreciate if you shared the sentiment around. Also, check out the description, you can find the tools I used and a link to an article about more toy kitchen supplies. Most of them 3D printed, but I'm working on more. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, subscribe to this channel, ring the bell, and as always, remember to be inspired.
So, Do we still need to thwart him?
Of course we do. Did you see how he charges extra for cutlery?
I have to admit that is evil.
So, thwarting it is. Next time then.